Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the USB device that is not recognized in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with the PowerShell. So please proceed with your Windows search tab there and type PowerShell. And once you do that, you will get this Windows PowerShell option under Best Match. So all you need to do is just to proceed with the right section there and then click on this Run as Administrator option. Once you do that, you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes, and then here we will be typing the command msdt.exe space dash or hyphen id space device diagnostics. And once you're done typing that one, just please click on enter, and this will troubleshoot any errors on your system. So once you're done with this one, just close this window and then we will proceed with device manager. So please open your device manager by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this device manager button here. Once you're in this window, all you need to do is just to go to this serial bus controller. So please double click on that to expand the options below it. And then here, all we need to do is just to right click on the composite device. So since I have here 3 composite devices, all I need to do is just to do the same actions for these 3 options here. So I'll just show you on how you can do it on one composite device. So just make a right click on that, click on the update driver, and then we will be selecting the first option, which is search automatically for drivers. And it says, when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, let us go or return to the previous page. And then we will now select this time the browse my computer for drivers. Once you select it, we will be going to this let me pick from a list of available drivers, and this time we will be shown here with the compatible hardware drivers that you have there in your device. And all you need to do is just to select the latest driver version that you have there, and then once selected, click on next, and then it will say installing drivers. And when it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then you're good to go. You can now close this window. And then the next thing we need to do is to update the root hub. So we have here an option root hub, this one. By the way, just do the same process with the other composite devices here, and we will proceed with the root hub. So I also have 2 root hub options. So I'll just do it in the first one, and then I will just do the same in your device with the other root hub option. So just please make a right click on that and then click again on update driver. And then this time we will be proceeding with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. Once you click on that, select the last option, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and this time select again the latest driver that you have there, the latest compatible hardware driver. And then once selected, just do the same process, click on next, and then it will start installing the drivers. And once it says that the Windows has already updated your driver, then you can now close this window. And then the next thing you need to do is to go to the settings. So it will ask you, by the way, to restart your computer. So just make a quick restart before proceeding with the settings or the control panel. So just make a quick restart first to apply the settings that we have just made, and then go to the control panel. Here in the Windows search tab, type control, and then you will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on that, and then we will be looking for power options. So if you don't see the power options, let us go to this view by options here, click on this drop down button, and then click on the large icons, and we will be looking for this one, power options. And then once found, all you need to do is just to click on this change when the computer sleeps here in the left pane, and then change advanced power settings. And then the next thing you need to do is to go to this small window here. If you see the USB settings here, just proceed to that. Click on the plus sign before it, and then once you click on that, it will be expanding. So you will see there the settings option for the USB settings, and then all you need to do is just to disable it. So please click on the disable button, and then once you have done that, click on apply and then click on OK. Close this window, and then just make a quick restart with your device for the settings to be applied, and you're good to go. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.